In this demo, we will demonstrate how Astera Centerprise simplifies data migration by enabling you to migrate data from one system to another in 3 simple steps. Let's take a scenario where you're moving from an on-prem SQL Server database to a modern cloud platform like Snowflake or Redshift. The first step is to capture the structure of your source system. Using reverse engineering, you can instantly generate a full model of your SQL Server schema. From there, you can use AI chat commands to refine the model by updating entities or adjusting relationships to optimize it for your target environment. Once the model is ready, simply choose your destination. With forward engineering, you can convert your logical design into a fully physical schema on your chosen cloud provider, all in a few clicks. Next, connect your source to the target. The mapping module auto-generates field-to-field mappings for straightforward cases, while AI-powered matching helps you quickly resolve more complex transformations. These mappings can then be saved and reused for model-driven pipelines. With mappings in place, workflow automation ensures your migration runs seamlessly. You can refresh your models as the source evolves, generate incremental load pipelines, and send out email alerts whenever the migration process is completed. Finally, use the built-in scheduler to automate ongoing runs, ensuring your migrated system stays fully aligned with source updates without manual intervention. The result? A smooth, low-effort migration from legacy to cloud, with optimized schemas and pipelines that set you up for long-term scalability.